Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I hope everybody is good. I hope everybody is in good health. Welcome back to Wise Choice channel. This is Mr. Wise Choice himself. Today I'll be doing some Jamaican ackee and salt fish, which is a national dish, but I'll be adding in a little. This fish here is called red herring. Everybody in Jamaica know it. Maybe some people overseas might know it also. But this is red herring. So I'll be picking up, scalding off the red herring, boiling off the salt fish with the excess salt and picking out the red. I use everything pick up and all put together. So I'll be doing some ackee and salt fish. Also with roast breadfruit. And I'll be doing some boiled plantain, and these are the seasoning that will be going into the. So I have my onion, purple onion, I have some bell pepper, red and green bell pepper, my scotch bonnet pepper, 4 cloves of garlic, my scallion and my tomato. We don't leave out the garlic at no time because garlic is good. So I'll also be using some simple natural coconut oil. Yeah, I'll be using the coconut oil and a little black pepper. No salt needed because everything here, the fish is already salt. So check it out when everything is all, when I pick up all the boil off and pick up the salt fish and the red herring together. So catch me back again. Yeah peeps, so this is how we do it. The ackee is raw. Ackee is a thing you have to cook, you have to boil it off until it's soft. So what we do now, we just boil it with the salt fish, scald out the salt fish at the same time, and at the same time the salt of the salt fish also give the ackee itself some salt. That's why I said no salt needed. So I'll be boiling this until the ackee is cooked and the salt fish is cooked. Then before, a little, maybe about 2 or 3 minutes before I take it off, I'll be adding in the red herring because I don't want to boil the red herring. That's basically just scalding it off for a minute or 2. Alright, so you will see all of that. Yeah peeps, so the ackee cooking there along with the salt fish. So I'll be cooking that until ackee is fully cooked because I don't play with ackee, Ackee is a thing that will hurt your stomach, so you have to make sure it is fully cooked. And the salt fish, so I'll be throwing off that water when it's cooked, and you see what I go on. And at the same time now, I'm roasting the breadfruit on the stove. Normally, in Jamaica we normally do this on the coal fire with a coal stove, but that's not applicable right now, so I have to be doing it on the stove. So yeah, that's how we do it still. So yeah man, ackee cooking, breadfruit roasting, yard man style, Mr. Wise Choice style. Just keep tuned, okay? Yeah my peeps, so ackee here all cooked. So like about 3 dozen ackee all cooked and soft. As you can see, it mashing out in my hand, so it's cooked. They have my red herring. This is how it look when it's picked up. Nothing much on the red herring, so I pick out the best part of it and thing. So this is the red herring. Now this is the salt fish or codfish, also all picked up. And here now is my seasoning. As I say, I have my scotch bonnet pepper, my onion, bell peppers, red and green, my onion, thyme, and my scallions. So these will be all going into the pot, a little from this. So check that out when it's all being cooked up. Alright? Cool. Yeah peeps, so breadfruit's actually finished now. They're roasting. And after you roast it, it's like cut it up and take off that black bark and slice it up and thing. And you also have the option of also frying it up, Some people who like to fry, can also fry it after, but yeah. See that peeps? Yeah man, so the smoke, the steam coming out, that is fully cooked. About to soon take this off now. Yeah, and this also can be done in the oven also. As everybody do their things different, so yeah, this is how Mr. Wise Choice is doing it currently. Yeah man, that's how it goes. Peeps, so having my coconut oil. So I'll be adding some of my seasoning. I'm not using all this seasoning that you see here because I'll be doing another dish. So I'll be using most of it, you know. Especially the tomatoes, because the other dish that I'll be doing don't really need any tomatoes in it. Yeah, Pete. Like that. Pretty. Real pretty bit, Pete. You know, my garlic, my scallion, my thyme, Scotch bonnet pepper, some bell peppers. Yeah, so just making this, you call this saute the oil. So we are sauteing the coconut oil before we add our next ingredient, which will be the saltfish or codfish and the red herring. Look at that, peeps. Wow. Yeah. I'm sauteing the oil. So I'll now be adding in my red herring. And red herring has a very nice flavor, peeps. Very nice flavor. Very nice flavor, especially with your ackee. Nice. Yeah. Just like that, peeps. Just like that. You know Mr. Wise Choice do it, you know? Yeah. So now I'll be adding in my saltfish or codfish. Look at that, peeps. Oh, isn't that a beauty? Yeah, man. This is how we do our national dish, Ackee and Salt Fish, you know. Wise Choice doing it a little different with some red herring in it. Alright, so I'll be adding in my ackee now. Like that, peeps. Wow. Just mixing everything now. Wow, look at that, peeps. So pretty. Come on. Remember, always like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend about Wise Choice channel. We'd really appreciate it. Please like, share, and subscribe to help me grow the channel. You know, we're working for you people, working for myself. You know, working hard to give you some good content in cooking, you know. But I really appreciate if you just like, share, subscribe, tell a friend or a family. Yeah, peeps, so that is it. I'll be adding like about a half teaspoon of black pepper. Going to basically be estimating it this, but you know, let's add a little black pepper on this. And I work that in. Look at that, peeps. Wow. Yeah, man. The real Ackee and Salt Fish with red herring included this time around. Wise choice style, Yardman style. Yeah, peeps, I was going to make that cook down for another 10 or so minutes and it will all be done. Yeah, peeps, yeah man, look at that. Look at that piece. Well, I did a quarter cup of water into it. Yeah, help it cook down. Yeah, peeps. Finishing up right now. Got that, peeps. Yeah, man. Real authentic Ackee and Salt Fish with red herring. Yes, I. Yardman style. Mr. Wise Choice style. This is how we do it. Yeah, man. Stay tuned. Yeah, peeps. So this is it. Ackee and Salt Fish with red herring, some fried plantain, and some roast breadfruit. Yeah, peeps, eat there, that's how it look, you know? Yeah, man. So, once again, thanks for watching Wise Choice channel. And always remember to subscribe, like, and share. I would greatly appreciate it. You know, once again, thank you for watching.